I've always finished curry pork with a squeeze of lime, but this time I didn't have any. So I used a fresh orange instead, and the flavor that developed was something special. Hi, I'm Forsi, and this is Storytime and Cooking with Forsi. I already had this diced pork seasoned and ready. And if you'd like to see how I season pork, that video is on my channel as well. Usually I would turn this into stew pork, but this time I wanted something different. So I decided to make curry pork. I started by heating a little oil in the pot, then stirred in onions, peppers, thyme, celery and tarragon and sautéed them until fragrant. To the seasoning I added curry powder first to let it bloom, along with turmeric, garam masala and jeera. That step helps wake up the curry, deepening the color and bringing out the flavor. Once that was ready, I added the pre-seasoned pork and gave it a good stir to let everything come together. As it cooked, the pork released its own juices into the pot. The curry began to develop into a rich, warm sauce, and the kitchen filled with that deep, comforting aroma. That tells you something good is on the way. And then came the change. Normally I would finish it with a squeeze of lime, but I didn't have any. So I reached for a fresh orange instead. That little touch added a gentle brightness to the curry. Subtle, but so good. Then I added diced white potatoes and enough water to cover the pork. I let it simmer and then gently boil. This is the part I enjoy most, watching simple ingredients come together and turn into something beautiful. By the time it was done, the pork was tender, the sauce was rich, and the flavor was warm, savory, and absolutely comforting. It was a little different from what I usually do, but it turned out delicious. Sometimes, one small change in the kitchen can give you a whole new result. Served with rice and a few sides, this became more than just a meal. It became a discovery. Simple, hearty, flavorful, and made right here in my kitchen. Thank you for cooking with me. And this is Storytime and Cooking with Forsi, a story you can taste. Subscribe for more videos.